New criminal laws will come into effect in the country on the 1st of July, and the government is batting for these new criminal laws. The new laws, as we said, will come into effect from July. These bills were passed in Parliament in 2023 in under very controversial circumstances. Remember, over 100 MPs were suspended from the House at that time. A lot of concern has also been expressed by the opposition over the new criminal laws coming into effect. The key highlights is the display of arrest information, among others. Let's go across to Aishwarya now for more. And Aishwarya, first take us through, what are the highlights of these new criminal laws, much touted by the government, and there has to be a lot of groundwork laid as they come into force.
Well, certainly these three new criminal laws, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam bills which were passed by the Parliament in the last winter session in 2023 amid a huge uproar, and the opposition opposed these bills. It was later passed, and the President of India gave an assent to these new criminal laws on 25th of December 2023, and the Government of India had finally appointed a date, that is 1st of July 2024, when these three new criminal laws will come into the force. There are several highlights of these three new criminal laws, of course, that pertains to the transparency, giving more efficiency and the help to the citizens of this country. And one of the sections, section 193 of the BNSS, clearly states about the progress updates to the victim. This section says that the victims, victims are entitled to know about their case within 90 days of time period, and this section will uphold that the victims can get more transparency into the case. They will be involved into the case, as 90 days of time period is something that victims are entitled for the regular updates on the progress of their case. Another important highlight is about the limited adjournments. We have been told that one of the sections of the BNSS says that the court can only grant maximum of 2 adjournments into the case. This will help to ensure that there is a fast delivery of justice system in this country. Another very interesting highlight of these three criminal laws is section 179 of the BNSS, which clearly states about the exemptions from going to the police stations. This section states that person below 15 years of age, or person above 60 years of age, or person with disabilities and also with acute illness are exempted to go to the police stations for their hearings, and the police assistants can come directly to their residence to register the complaint. So, many of the highlights that the Home Ministry had revealed in these three criminal laws, which will ensure that there is trust, there is transparency, and a fast delivery to the justice system that exists in India. And therefore, the reason perhaps these three new bills were passed in the last winter session in the Parliament amid uproar, amid the huge opposition that opposed these three criminal bills. The DMK went on to say that the names are in Hindi, that needs to be translated to English, and that's where they also reached out to the top court of this country as well. But that was challenged. Finally, it will be in force and effective from 1st of July 2024, and therefore the reason perhaps the entire criminal system will be revamped from the very next date.